Hey guys, this is Roger TJ from the Samba. I was just checking the motor. I mean, this motor will not be in the van anymore, but it left me on the side of the road, and I was just troubleshooting to see what happened, and I just plugged in the whatever it's called, spark tester or whatever, and guess what? No spark on it. So either something happened with the solenoid, or maybe a wire, or maybe the distributor. Who knows? But that's that. And I'm not getting into more details because this motor is going out. So, I'll try to see what happened a little bit more, but just wanted to let you know. It's been a long way since I tested or did something on this engine, because the other engine that I got, the 95 Jetta Ava motor, was on top of the deck lid, so I couldn't do much. Okay guys, so see you soon, and I'll keep you updated.